Milky Way, Harbourfront neighborhood area. I just did a thorough walk of Harbourfront to stop in at the stores, say hello, give them a free plug, to promote our cool neighborhood here in Toronto on Harbourfront. So, and I'm finished like having my meal here at Maguro again, third time.
Shameless plug. Check out the live stream replay on Out and About with yours truly, Liz O.C. The unedited Toronto Cool Neighborhood series, restaurants, stores on Harbourfront.
Our fourth time, really. So I ordered the Bulgogi dinner. So it comes with a miso soup. And I am still live streaming on my YouTube channel. So we're just multitasking here. And it comes with a salad, and they have some, so they're offering, this is the first, I've never, other Japanese restaurants have not offered different dressings. So I asked for the house dressing, which is a ginger dressing. They do have like a Caesar dressing and some other dressing. I just want the house dressing. Okay. So this is how it looks.
Right here?
Yeah. Perfect.
You have the bulgogi, right?
Yes, but I already have the salad. She gave me this.
It's supposed to be salad from the shake. So
I don't know why
you. Okay.
Or what?
It's okay. I've already bought for you. You can have
Okay.
it. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay. So I have another salad. Right. Okay. So maybe I'll show the other one. So here, let's do it. Okay. So this is actually the whole set. It's on a sizzling plate. It smells amazing. I love this dish. So I'll pick it up as it can be. So here we go. Let's dig in. I'm starving. First, I'll take a couple of sips from the miso soup. I love miso soup. So good. Very good. Let's try this salad. Curious on the ginger dressing. Let me just taste a little bit of the ginger dressing. Yum. I'm gonna have to get the recipe or find a recipe online about ginger. I love ginger so much. It's so good. It's so good for you. Different. But what makes it yellow? I wonder what else is in there. Take your bite. Yum. It's a nice change with the ginger dressing. Look at this piece. Okay, Take your bite. Look at that piece. Tender, flavorful, thin slices. And I love Japanese rice. It's sticky, so good. Love it. So tender, so good. You're fine. So again, another 5 out of 5 star review for Maguro. Their Bulgogi dinner set here is so good. Take your bite. You gotta come here and give them a try. So good. Yep, come on to Maguro House Japanese Cuisine on Queen's Key. Take your bite. Okay, so I'm gonna try this Japanese dessert dango. All right, so I'm gonna give it a try. All right. Okay. It's chewy, not sweet at all. I'm not getting any distinct flavor. Just a nice treat. It's cold. I'll get some more information about this and then put it in the description or something, or in the ticker. Different, but there's no, for the pink one, there's no distinct flavor. It's chewy.
Shameless plug. Check out my 5 out of 5 star review for Maguro House Japanese Cuisine on Queens Quay West in the Harbourfront neighborhood.